Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to effectively promote Amazon affiliate link on Facebook in 2023. With over billions of active users, Facebook offers a massive potential audience for your affiliate marketing efforts. By leveraging the power of Amazon affiliates program, you can earn commissions while promoting products that resonate with your followers. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to successfully promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go and start by list first and foremost, you need of course to become an approved Amazon affiliate by joining the Amazon Associates program. This will allow you to generate affiliate links and earn commissions from qualifying purchases. As an example, of course, if you want to know more details about this, you can always go and find a video on this channel on how to join like the Amazon affiliates program. But if you want, you can simply find here, or you can do it right now if you want. So go to Amazon affiliates and click on the first link. Once you do so, you'll find yourself on this link right here. So let's start by, as you can see, you'll have to simply click on sign up. So Amazon Associates, Amazon Affiliates Marketing Program. Welcome to one of the largest affiliates marketing program in the world. And the Amazon Associates program helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic with millions of products and programs available on Amazon. Associates use easy link building tools to direct their audience to their recommendations and earn from qualifying purchasing programs. So you'll have three steps. Sign up, first of all, to join terms of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earnings with the Amazon Associates program. And then you'll have to recommend, share millions of products with your audience, and we have customized linking tools for large publishers, individuals, bloggers, and social media influencers. And simply and finally earn. So you'll be able to earn up to 10% and associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs, and our competitive conversion rates helps maximize your earnings. So, of course, once you click on sign up, you'll have to fill a form with your informations and etc. And once you're approved, you will start getting your affiliate link that you'll be able to send to other people. And of course, let's start now by identifying your target audience. So, understand your target audience on Facebook, identify their interests, preferences, and pain points. Tailoring your affiliate promotion to suit your audience need will result in higher engagement and conversions. Then make sure to even create like compiling and visually appealing content that showcase the Amazon products you wish to promote. Utilize eye-catching images, videos, and product descriptions to capture the audience attention. Make sure to even like incorporate the Amazon affiliate links. So integrate your Amazon affiliate links into your Facebook posts and content. You can do this by adding the affiliate link to your caption, comment, or even using the Facebook built-in shopping features if you want to. You can even use, so let's just go as an example, open Facebook. And of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create a new account for yourself. And it's not going to be a big of a deal because I've already like made a video on how to create an account on Facebook. If you want to, you can go and check it out again. And of course, as I said, so you'll have to go and use like the Facebook groups and pages. The leverage you'll have to leverage, of course, the Facebook groups and pages related to your niche. Engage with these communities by providing values, sharing your content, and subtly incorporating your affiliate links where relevant. Because like, what is the most interesting thing about Facebook that you can, of course, share your affiliate link is just Facebook and page, or sorry, groups and pages, because there's a lot of people who are following groups and pages, because a lot of people will not just go and add you as a friend to see your affiliate link, etc. So make sure to go and create a page for yourself or create a new group for yourself. If you're famous on another platform, you can go as an example and share your page there so people can join, and from there of course you can use like the group and pages to share your affiliate links. You can even, as an example, and this will help a lot, add in a new people to your pages and groups, you can host giveaways and contests. So you can organize like some giveaways and contests to encourage users participating in engagement. Offering Amazon products as prizes will not only attract more users but also will drive traffic to your affiliate links. This is so interesting and a lot of people using it. So make sure to go and host your giveaways, and of course you will have to offer your Amazon products as prizes, and this will track people to click on those links, which will give you commissions if they buy some products, especially if there is some or there are some interesting product there that may help people. Then, of course, make sure to share your honest reviews and recommendations. A lot of people don't do that. So make sure to share your honest reviews and personal recommendations of Amazon products they've used and loved. Authenticity builds trust with your audience and increase the likelihood of them clicking on your affiliate links. Make sure to even utilize the Facebook ads. You can consider, as an example, using Facebook ads to reach a wider audience beyond your followers. Facebook ads, of course, as an example, targeting capabilities allows you to reach users who are more likely to be interested in the products you're promoting. So, as an example, if you have like a business account on Facebook ads, you'll have to go and log in into it. But if you don't, you can simply go and create your own. Once you are here, of course, you'll be able to add campaigns promoting your products with your affiliate link or the products that you have in your affiliate links, and make sure to have or to use some interacting and eye-catching images and videos. You can even, as examples from here, go to ads reporting and see you can monitor performance and optimize everything from here. Of course, if you're using the Facebook ads, you can even use like the admin dashboard of if you get your account on the Amazon affiliates, you'll be able to, or you'll find an analytics page, and from there you'll be able to monitor the performance. So regularly, you can track the performance of your Facebook posts, as an example, and affiliate links using the Facebook analytics and Amazon affiliates reports. You can analyze the data to identify what content drives the most engagement and conversions, and make sure to stay compliant with the Facebook policies. So ensure that your promotion comply with Facebook's advertising policies. Avoid using like some misleading or spammy tactics, as this can lead to account restrictions or penalties. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you have now the knowledge to effectively promote your Amazon affiliate links on Facebook in 2023. Remember to always disclose your affiliate links and provide value to your audience. So thanks for watching, and best of luck with your affiliate marketing efforts on Facebook. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. And of course, thanks you for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.